This is Sammy and her new kitchen. What are you doing, Sammy?
My kitchen.
It's your kitchen?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
Are you making a mess in your kitchen? She just woke up from a nap. Is your name Chef Sammy?
Yeah.
Are you Chef Sammy?
Yeah.
Look over here. Say, I'm Chef Sammy. Okay, bye. Bye, Chef Sammy.
You don't do bad stuff, Mommy.
Okay. I love you.
Don't say bye to me.
Okay, well, I love you.